What's up guys, Mitch here from Superior Engineering. Today we're giving you a rundown on our Nissan Patrol GQ and GU long arm kit. The name long arm obviously comes from the fact these arms are 300mm longer than the factory lower control arm and are designed to reduce rear steer in big flexing cars, as well as stop the diff wanting to drive up under the car on steeper climbs, causing a big loss in traction. Off-road's not the only place you're going to feel the benefits of running our long arms. With the arm sitting a much flatter than the factory lower control arm, with your bigger lifted vehicles, this helps with acceleration, cornering, and just overall handling of the vehicle on road as well. Our long arms are made from 40mm solid bar high tensile steel with a 10mm strong back welded across the back. We've run these in hundreds of competition patrols across Australia, so we know they can withstand a beating. We've also gone ahead and tested these arms under the National Code of Practice, so they are the only street legal long arms on the market today. At half the cost of the competition and ready for engineering, our long arms are a no-brainer for your patrol build. So jump over to superiorengineering.com.au and get your hands on a set.